one more time, but we need you guys to make room. We still got more people in the back. Check this out. If you're in the front, everybody move to the side. When everybody in the line make their way to the front, then all of you guys can come back in. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So if you got more money in your pocket, please make your way to the front. Everybody get together, celebrate this time. It's an awesome thing to see a bunch of money in the bucket. Now we know the money in the bucket is paid for the savings. Please make your way to the front. You guys got about 2 more minutes left. If you still got money in your pocket, please make your way to the front. Alright, we can have that person please get off the table, please. Yes, please, thank you. Whose daughter is that? Thank you. Somebody get their daughter. What's it gonna be from Ray's family? Ray's family, please make some noise! And if you're from Nero's family, make some noise! And if you got more money in your pocket, please make your way to the front! Ladies and once again, we want to thank Rayson Tommy's family here. To all the Chuukese, thank you so much.